So the speaking school is something really special to have here in Western Speech. In most competitions, you will find that it's all about judging them and then going to the next round. But with Western Speech, what we want to do differently is that we want to make sure that we help them to win, we set them to win. We don't want to just leave them on their own. That was why the speaking school was designed to build more speakers, to build excellent communicators, and also enhance their leadership skills along the way.
I would like to congratulate most of you here for taking your first step into this speaking school. And by you sitting here looking at me, it means that you are ready to have some fun. Who is ready to have fun? Say I!
Speaking school has been really fun for me. We play a lot of really fun games. It somehow helps, and confidence is key to life, and we should start learning that at a young age, not when you're older it might be a bit hard. At a young age it's quite nice to learn how to be confident.
If they want to be a speaker or a motivational speaker, they can go to this school because it's a really great place, and I think everybody should go if they want to be a speaker. And the games are also like important. Some of the games are important, like communication, body language, and like that. So I think it's really good. It's a really good place.
I like this HANKidz President Speech Contest. This is the first time ever I had fun in my life. So I'm giving the score is 1 million over 1 million.